Hi, I'm Gil Davis, sales consultant up here at Andy Moore Buick GMC in Fishers, Indiana, one of the largest GM dealerships in the region. Today, we're going to talk about the Regal, the Buick Regal 2014, just what makes this vehicle so regal. All right, we got three different trim levels. We got the 1SL, which is the leather package. We have the premium, and then we have, of course, the GS, which is the top of the line, this one right here. Let's take a look at it. Let's talk about another great feature on this Buick Regal, which is the valet mode. The valet mode allows you, if you go downtown to St. Elmo's, have a nice dinner with your wife, you can set the valet mode to how long they're going to drive your car, how fast they can drive your car, and what distance they can take your car from where you're at. That allows you to go in, have a very nice meal with your wife, come back out, and your beautiful Regal, Buick Regal, is still just as nice as it was when you took it in.